Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to the video for the balancing the redox equation. So I know it's quite a lot. The last video pun in 20 plus minutes kan, but I believe you could do it. Yang ini the last one for the balancing redox equation. Because previously what we have looked is actually for the case of acidic medium. We have looked for the case of acidic medium. But we know that actually the redox equation can occur in two types of medium, which is acidic and basic medium. So let's look for the example on page 20. Okay, so now let's look for example number 1. So yang ni, the first one is balance the equation as in acidic medium. So question 1 ni sama sahaja dengan question 1 acidic medium tu. So yang ni Miss nak explain banyak. Okay, yang equation 2 ni pun sama juga. Yang ni, this is actually the final answer for question number 2, acidic medium. But again, yang ni Miss nak explain banyak. Sebab acidic medium, sama saja konsep dia, which is we're gonna use oucher. Dia kalau basic medium ni, if you're gonna start from the scratch, memang buat macam oucher. Tapi yang ni, dia extra, dia step 2 ni, add OH minus equal to the number of H plus ion. So, dalam case ni, sebab we have 8H plus, so what we're going to do, we're going to add 8OH minus on both sides of the equation. Okay, so takkan itu saja. So, what we're going to do next is actually we're going to simplify. Okay, sebenarnya OH dengan H plus ni, when we combine it will form H2O. So, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify it by combining straight away H plus dengan OH minus jadi H2O. But on the product side ni, OH minus tak ada OH plus kan? So we can't combine ataupun simplify it. Okay, so ini I'm just going to write down balik OH minus. Okay, next we simplify the equation. Okay, so for this equation kita tengok ada tak yang mana-mana yang the same species. Okay, so as we can see here, ferrum tak ada, tapi apa yang sama is actually water. Okay, so water ni on the opposite side. So, bila opposite side, kita akan minuskan dia. So, we're going to cancel out the 4H2O. Yang 8H2O tu, we're going to have 4 left. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is actually, I'm going to write down 4H2O. Yang H2O ni tak ada, tapi OH minus on the product side is still there. So, dapat 8OH minus. So, itu sahaja for basic medium. Basic medium, extra dia is actually add OH minus on both side. Make sure equal to the number of H plus. Okay, tu combinekan dia jadi H2O. So, once we have combine jadi H2O, kita boleh simplifykan. Okay, so yang ini Miss buat je lah, tulislah kat mana-mana. So, first step is actually we're going to combine, after we add OH minus, we're going to combine H plus dengan OH minus to form our H2O. Okay, so sebenarnya H2O ni could be on the reactant side boleh, on the product side pun boleh. Maknanya yang H dengan H plus ni bergabung ni. For this equation memang pada reactant lah. Okay, and then we're going to simplify the equation. Okay, so sebelum ni kita tengok selalunya simplify electron. Kali ni kita akan simplify our H2O. So, and mana yang possible. If it's on the same side, we're going to add it. Kalau the opposite side, we're going to minus. For this example, the opposite side. So, bila the opposite side, minus. Okay, so, itulah beza dia acid dengan basic. Example tu, I believe you could try it yourself. Cuma yang step 2 ni, sama sahaja. Jangan lupa tengok yang notes ni. Okay, so example 3 pun try yourself. Simple je. Example 4 ni yang kita akan buat sama-sama. Okay, so again, kita akan gunakan oucher punya konsep. The oucher. Okay, so first and foremost, we're gonna do the half equation. So for the chromium. Okay, so for the chromium, we're gonna copy paste here. Okay, lepas tu, next is balance the atom. Okay, chromium on both side is 1. Oxygen pula, oxygen pun both side is 3. Tapi sekarang ni, hydrogen is not balanced. Okay, so, sebab yang ni no need to add lah sebab oxygen dah balance kan. Dia tak semestinya kalau tak dah balance nak tambah juga no need lah. Hydrogen ni kita tengok. Hydrogen is not balanced. So plus dengan H plus. But hydrogen is 3. So we are going to add 3H plus. Okay. All the atoms is balanced. Now calculate the charge. Here is 0. Here is negative 2. Here is positive 3. Negative 2 plus 3. So jadi berapa? Positive 1. So, positive 1 dengan 0, kita akan add electron to more positive side. So, plus electron. So, sekarang ni, bila dah tambah dengan 1 electron ni, so, the charge is balanced. Sebab semua ni, both side is 0. Okay, now is for the IO3 minus from I minus. So, IO3 minus jadi I minus ni, what we're going to do, atom, balance oxygen. Okay, oxygen add dengan H2O. So, kita akan add 3 H2O. Okay, so sekarang ni we're going to add hydrogen pula. Hydrogen we have 6. So, we're going to balance it out by adding 6 H+. Okay, so, buat kata ni. Okay, and then what we're going to do next is actually balance it out. Here is positive 5. Here is negative 1. Okay, so macam mana ni? Macam mana nak buat? So, kalau kita tak tahu, okay, mula kita tahu electron is more positive value kan? So, add electron kat sini. But how many of the electron yang kita gonna add? Selalunya macam straightforward sikit kan? So, kalau tak sure, bolehlah buat macam ni. Plus X equal to negative 1. So, sekarang ni kita tahu, bila kita calculate, our X is negative 6. So, it means that we need 6 electron. Okay, again, kalau tak pasti, buatlah calculation yang macam ni. Yang X ni, kalau rasa dah confirm, dah confident, buat je lah yang macam biasa kita buat tu. Kita boleh macam, just calculate, just write off macam tu sahaja. If unsure, boleh buat yang X tu lah. Okay, next is going to simplify the electron. Okay, so make sure the electron is the same. But this case is not the same value. Electron tu mesti opposite side. Okay, lepas tu kita timeskan dengan 6, just to make sure the number of electron is the same so that we can simplify. So, yang ini mesti copy paste sahaja. Okay. And then, times dengan 6. So, ini jadi 6 CrOH3, 6 CrO2 minus. Lepas tu, we have ni times 6 18H+, plus dengan 6 electron. Okay, so kita simplifikan lah mana possible. Okay, so first and foremost, kena simplifikan electron lah, opposite side kan. Okay, electron, kita dah minuskan. Okay, apa lagi yang kita boleh buat? Tak boleh. Okay, H plus ini ada H plus here. So, here opposite side, we have to minus. So, here it will become 18 minus 6. So, dia akan jadi 12. So, 12 H plus. So, apa lagi yang kita boleh simplifikan? Okay, so that's it. So, make sure for the final equation, the reactant must be on the reactant side, and product must be on the product side. Okay, so sekarang ni, oops. Okay, I'm just gonna copy paste it here. Okay, jangan lupa H plus tu dah jadi 12H plus dengan I minus plus dengan 3H2O. Okay, so but then this is not finished yet. So, ni hanyalah acidic medium saja. Tapi ni question acidic medium memang ini je lah. Acidic medium, last equation dia ada H+. Kalau basic, last dia ada OH-. Ni kita tengok. Kalau acidic, kamu tengok last equation dia tu adanya presence of H+. Tak ada OH-. The same goes for number 5 ni. Dia ada H+ sahaja. OH- tak ada. Tapi for the basic medium, the final equation tu kena ada OH-. OH- tu must be present for the final equation. So, ini Miss Sama nota kat sini. Kalau acidic medium, acid, H+, basic, OH-. Yang ini, it must be present on the final equation. Okay. So, sekarang ni, basic, not finished. We're going to add OH-. Okay. So, we're going to add OH- to the both side. Both side, apa ni? Make sure the same as the number of hydrogen H+ present. Okay, so yang ini, Miss nak just simplify kan apa kat sini lah. Okay. So, what we're gonna do next is actually add OH-, 12 OH- on both sides. Okay. So, right now, we're going to simplify where possible. We're going to combine H plus dengan OH minus. So, where we add H plus dengan OH minus, so jadi 12 H2O. Okay. So, jadi 12 H2O. I'm just going to delete it. So, sini akan jadi 12 H2O. But then, when we look here, simplifykan lagi sebenarnya. Kita boleh simplify the water again. Here, the water is actually on the same side. So, same side, we're gonna add the value. So, when we add, okay, so jadi padam. So, kita akan sini jadi 15 H2O. So, this is actually the balanced one, the basic medium punya. Adanya OH minus, the final equation. Okay, sebenarnya nak calculate atom alamak, tapi it's too much. So, Miss cancel out calculation of the atom. Miss nak calculate charge lah. Okay, tapi yang ini sebenarnya ada yang tersilap sikit. Sebenarnya 12 Cr2 minus. OH ni kena ada OH minus on the reactant side ni. Here, minus. Okay, so now let's calculate the charge. Negative 12, 0, negative 1. So, negative 13. Here, negative 12, 15, negative 1. Positive 15. Sepatutnya 0. Water 0. So, water is 0, negative 1. Okay, so the charge is balanced. Kalau rajin, check lah atom kalau nak lah. Ini banyak sangat. So, misalnya. Okay, again, 5 dengan 6, I believe you could try yourself. Make sure it's basic medium. Kalau kamu risau, selalunya question akan bagi tahu dia nak acidic ataupun basic medium. Okay, so that's it for this video.